Hello guys! So for today's video guys, I'll be showing you the top 5 cards that we found during our sorting of the common and uncommon MTG bulks. So these are the top 5 finds in those bulks. And I think we will do this every week on weekly basis or maybe daily. We can do this kind of showing you the top 5 finds. So let's go. Let's dig it up. Let's discuss my top 5 finds. So the first one is the Dairad's Revival. So I like this card, guys. This is a 3 mana sorcery. And this one can return target card from your graveyard to your hands. So it's like you revive the creature or any other card, guys, because did not specify if it's creature only. So it can return any target card from your graveyard to your hand. And also, this one has a flashback ability. So this one, if you use 5 mana, you may cast this card from your graveyard for its flashback cost. Meaning, for example, this card already in the graveyard. You can, if you have a lot of mana, you can pay 5 mana and you can use this again to revive any target card from your graveyard. Very insane card, guys. For uncommon, this one is really nice. Terrace Revival. So tell me your thoughts about it. Very nice card. Next in our card is the Symmetry Matrix. This one is an artifact card for mana cost. I really like this card because whenever a creature with a power equal to its toughness enters the battlefield under your control, you may pay 1 mana, and then if you do, you can draw a card. So imagine, guys, if you put a lot of tokens, so if you put a creature with 1/1, 1/1 is the same attack and toughness is equal, right? So if you put 4 of that card in your field, then you can draw, guys. You can pay 4 mana and then you can draw 4 cards. So this Symmetry Matrix is very nice if you need a lot of cards in your hand, so you can draw a lot of cards using this artifact. So Symmetry Matrix, very nice artifact, guys. So all of this that I'm showing you guys will be available in my Shopee shop. Please visit, guys, Daily Dose of Magic in my Shopee shop, and you can see there what I am selling. Thank you for the support, and please, if you enjoy this content, please, guys, please do subscribe, and please don't forget to like and of course comment in our video. I will appreciate that. And for our third card, guys, okay, so for our third card is an Ivory Tower. I really like this one. Actually, I thought this one is a vintage card, but when I look at it, this one is just a replica of a vintage card. So this one is made on 2022 by illustration by Irina Nordsol. So, but if you check the history, guys, if you will check in the Card Kingdom, this Ivory Tower is a very old card, and this one has a similar card from 1993 or first edition. I really like it because the effect of this, guys, this one is a 1 mana artifact only. Imagine, for 1 mana, at the beginning of your unkeep, you gain X life, where X is the number of cards in your hand, minus 4. So imagine, if you have 5 or 10, imagine you have 10 cards in your hand. So if you have 10 cards in your hand, minus 4, so you will gain 6 life, guys. You will gain instant 6 life in just 1 mana. So this one is a very OP card, uncommon Ivory Tower, guys. You need to have this, and it's still OP until now, but this one is a old card already, but really useful for your deck. So Ivory Tower, third. For our fourth, guys, is the Sarjan Clip Stomper. So this one is a 2 mana card. This one is a creature, Minotaur Barbarian. I really love this card, guys, because this one has 4 toughness. Imagine, for 2 mana, you can gain 4 toughness. And the attack, guys, is depending on how many mountains you are controlling. So if you have, for example, you have 10 mountains, then this one will have a plus X plus 0, meaning the plus X is the number of mountains. So if you have 10 mountains, guys, in your field, then you will have plus 10 attack for this creature. It's very OP. Better to use this in the late game. And then this one has what's all that? Okay, as long as you turn and you control 4 or more mountains, Sergeant Cliff Stomper gets plus X plus 0, where X is the number of mountains you control. Very strong card for just 2 mana. Really insane. So you need to have this. If you're building red deck, I suggest you need to have this. So for our fifth card, guys, I think this is one of my most favorite. This one is 2 mana only. Disenchant. I really like this one because this can destroy target artifact or enchantment. Imagine if you have an enemy which has very strong artifact or very strong enchantment, you can instantly destroy, because this one is an instant card, so you can use this anytime. So instant card, guys, you can use this on any time frame. So it's not depending on if you're on your turn or what. For example, if your enemy is attacking you and she is attacking you with a good artifact and have enchantment, you can use this skill and you can destroy that artifact or enchantment for just 2 mana only. So really OP card, guys. Disenchant, you need to have this if you are building any color of the deck, but preferably for white deck. So that's all for today, guys. Tell me your most favorite cards in our finds. So this is our top 5 finds of the week. Thank you so much. God bless. Please subscribe.